Alright, so I'm here at a ice machine and ice distributor. This guy sells ice machines and he sells ice and all kinds of restaurant equipment. Ice O Matic and I believe Manitoics. So I'm gonna go inside and see what's up with this. I guess there's a complaint about the water pump. It's not circulating water, so we're gonna go in and see what's wrong with this water pump. See if it needs a new one. Here she is. We're gonna take this cover off right here. Okay, there's my pump. I'm gonna turn her on. Let's see what happens to my pump. Alright, so I got voltage going to it, and you can see that I put my probes in. Turn it on, the pump works. So that, yeah, she's working. Let's see if it works now. Yep. Had a bad connection, that's all it was. So now I'm gonna clean this. And in order to do that, I ran my acid wash through it for like 15-20 minutes. Now I'm gonna hit this purge button. Purge all the water out of the system. About 3 or 4 times. I'm gonna shut it off. Take it all apart. Take it to the sink, wash it all. Slap it back together, clean the bin. And we are finito. Try to clean the outside as best as I can. This one's, I think this one was made in 06. I'm not 100% sure though. Easy way to drain these is shut off your water supply. Turn the machine on. Get the purge going. You can see that my fill, there's no water coming to it. So just empty it. Shut it off. There we go. Pull it apart. So, yep, now I'm gonna pull these brass nuggets off. Take the tube assembly. You pull these tube assemblies apart. I've done it in other videos. I'm not going to show you guys that now. And just another pointer too is don't lose any of these rubber like collars or gaskets. Make sure you try to keep track of all of them. They're everywhere because they tend to fall and then go into the water trough and then up into the machine, into the water distribution tube, and plug the holes. So you'll have ice forming like one side of the evaporator, or it'll just fuck up the water flow basically. And these can tend to be kind of tight and like calcified and limed up. All these are gone now in the new machines. They took them all out. What else I do is you always have an empty bucket, so you just take your acid wash, hit up the inside of these on the outside, and just let them sit in the bucket for a little while. Soak that shit in. Same thing right here. Just soak that shit up. You gotta take this water trough out because all kinds of fun stuff hides behind here. And yeah, on these two. These evaporators behind these evaporators is nasty. See there? This is pretty yucky. See that? Here's the Manitowoc I did. Cubes are pretty good. Producing well. Nice and clean. Nice. Returned it ice. And another issue, we might possibly have a bad cam right here, and this is an assisted machine. That means when it's time to dispense the ice, there's these two little arms that are in each evaporator that push the whole sheet of ice out, and then it falls down. So that arm over here might be bad. I'm gonna let it make a couple of batches and watch it, make sure it goes through all okay. Cam assist is fine. I just watched it drop 2 batches, and then I poured hot water inside just to drain out any leftover sanitizer or acid wash that was left in the bin. I'm gonna sit and watch it make one more batch, and then I'm out. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I hope you guys have a great week. Peace out, YouTube.